your ultimate source for cutting-edge automotive innovation and future technology. Today, we're diving into Toyota's revolutionary multi-fuel engine, a groundbreaking leap forward in eco-friendly driving. Known for constantly pushing the limits of automotive engineering, Toyota's latest development is no different. This advanced engine is designed to run on a wide range of fuels, including gasoline, synthetic e-fuels, biodiesel, and even hydrogen. It's a game-changing innovation that promises a cleaner, more efficient future for drivers. Stick with us as we explore what sets this engine apart in the race toward greener mobility. Hey, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Toyota's multi-fuel engine is a marvel of versatility, capable of running on several different fuel types: gasoline, synthetic e-fuels, biodiesel, and hydrogen. It represents a crucial piece of Toyota's strategy to cut emissions across diverse regions and energy networks. As part of the company's multi-pathway approach to achieving carbon neutrality, this engine highlights Toyota's commitment to exploring a range of technologies instead of betting solely on electric vehicles. This allows Toyota to tailor their solutions to different markets and energy landscapes, delivering more sustainable options for drivers across the globe. This new engine is a significant engineering leap forward. It's smaller and more thermally efficient than previous models, improving performance and making it easier to integrate into hybrid systems. When paired with electric motors, this engine enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, aligning with Toyota's long-term goals for sustainable mobility. While detailed specifications of Toyota's new multi-fuel engine are still being revealed, some key aspects highlight its advanced engineering and potential performance. The engine is expected to come in several configurations, including a 1.5L engine with turbocharged and naturally aspirated options, and a 2.0L turbocharged variant. One of the most impressive features is the engine's thermal efficiency, which has significantly improved through Toyota's innovative design. This allows the engine to produce more power while being physically smaller, up to 20% smaller than current engines, making it lighter and more efficient. The engine is also designed to work seamlessly with hybrid systems, where the electric motor can provide additional torque and fill in power gaps, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. In terms of emissions, the engine is being developed to meet the stringent Euro 7 regulations, which demand lower emissions and better fuel efficiency. This multi-fuel capability means that, depending on the fuel used, gasoline, synthetic e-fuels, biodiesel, or hydrogen, the engine can adapt to provide optimal performance while minimizing its environmental impact. Though the exact horsepower and torque numbers haven't been released, Toyota's focus on reducing size and increasing efficiency suggests that this engine will offer a compelling balance of power and eco-friendliness, making it a strong contender in the future landscape of internal combustion engines. Toyota's journey in developing this multi-fuel engine is closely tied to their experience in motorsports, particularly with their hydrogen-powered GR Corolla. By putting this technology to the test in high-stakes racing environments, Toyota has pushed the limits of what's possible and gathered critical data contributing to the engine's development. One of the major challenges in creating a hydrogen-powered engine is managing heat, efficiency, and performance. Hydrogen burns hotter and faster than traditional fuel, which initially posed a significant challenge for engineers. However, through rigorous testing and racing in events like the Super Taikyu Endurance Series, Toyota's team was able to refine the engine, improving its thermal efficiency and overall performance. These motorsport trials accelerated the development process and provided Toyota with valuable insights directly applied to the multi-fuel engine. The lessons learned from the track have helped Toyota create a versatile engine that delivers high performance while maintaining efficiency, paving the way for its future use in everyday vehicles. Toyota's new multi-fuel engine can potentially influence the future of hybrid vehicles significantly. The engine can run on various fuels, including hydrogen and synthetic e-fuels, and could be integrated into hybrid systems, providing a more flexible and sustainable option for consumers. This technology is expected to be ready just in time for the upcoming Euro 7 emission regulations, which will require even stricter control over emissions from gasoline engines. One of the key environmental benefits of this engine is its ability to reduce reliance on rare materials like lithium, which are heavily used in battery production for electric vehicles. Using hydrogen combustion technology, Toyota is paving the way for more sustainable and environmentally friendly vehicle options that don't depend as much on these limited resources. Toyota's long-term goal with this engine is to create a scalable solution that supports a diverse range of energy sources, rather than relying solely on electric vehicles. This approach offers more options to consumers and helps address the varying energy infrastructures across different regions, making it a versatile and future-proof solution in the quest for carbon neutrality. Toyota's strategy for achieving carbon neutrality involves a diverse approach, developing multiple technologies rather than relying on a single solution. This includes advancements in hydrogen fuel cells, hybrid vehicles, and battery electric vehicles, each tailored to meet different market demands and environmental goals. By investing in various technologies, Toyota ensures that they can offer solutions that are adaptable to the unique needs of different regions and customer preferences. Introducing the multi-fuel engine is a key part of this strategy, offering unparalleled flexibility. This engine can operate on various fuels, making it a versatile option adapted to various energy infrastructures worldwide. Whether in regions where hydrogen is readily available or in areas still reliant on gasoline, this engine provides a pathway to reduced emissions without forcing a one-size-fits-all solution. Toyota's multi-tech approach highlights its commitment to creating a sustainable future by offering a broad spectrum of vehicle options that can evolve with changing technologies and energy resources. Toyota remains at the forefront of the automotive industry's shift towards a greener future. Toyota's commitment to carbon neutrality is demonstrated through its innovative multi-fuel engine. By developing technology that can run on multiple fuel types, including hydrogen and synthetic e-fuels, Toyota provides a flexible and sustainable option that aligns with its broader strategy of reducing emissions worldwide. This multi-fuel engine could be a game-changer for the automotive industry. For consumers, it means more choices when selecting greener yet powerful vehicles that don't compromise on performance. As the industry continues to evolve, Toyota's approach ensures drivers can access advanced eco-friendly technologies adaptable to various energy infrastructures and environmental needs. This engine paves the way for a more sustainable future and reinforces Toyota's position as a leader in automotive innovation. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments section.